Okay, folks, today we are going to smoke a chuck roast. This chuck roast smells oh so good. Garlic, oh, it is looking just fantastic. About a 3-pound chuck roast is what this is going to be. We're going to smoke that today at 250 degrees on our Camp Chef smoker, where you're going to get the internal temperature up to about 200, 201. Should be really tender. Now we have seasoned that with Uncle Chris's steak seasoning, and we've let it set in the refrigerator all night. And in addition, we put the steak and roast rub on there also. So combination of these two seasonings should make this roast really nice and tender. Can you see that? Man, that's just going to be something different. Let's get that Camp Chef smoker up and running. Alright, our Camp Chef Woodwind smoker is up to temperature. It's at 250 right now, and we're going to get our chuck roast on the grill. Again, look at that roast. Now folks, this should be as tender as any brisket you ever ate. So let's get it on there. Let's get this thing cooked. Okay, so we're going to put that on at 250 degrees, smoking at a temperature. Okay, we've got the chuck roast on at 250 degrees on our Camp Chef Woodwind smoker. We're going to smoke this for about 2 hours, 2.5, something like that. Then we're going to start basting it with our sauce that we're going to be making up here. We want to get a good bark up on that chuck roast. This chuck roast should be really good and tender. Take it off about 201 degrees, 200 degrees, 201 degrees today. We did this before and it come out delicious. So folks, we're going to just let it cook. We'll be seeing you in just a little bit. All right, the chuck roast has been on the Woodwind Camp Chef smoker now for an hour. We're going to take a look at it and see what she looks like. Looks pretty good. Yes, it's getting dry pretty good there. All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to rub that, we're going to mop it more or less with our beef broth mixture we have. I'm going to baste this with some more sauce. Should build the bark up real good on this chuck. Get it around the sides. That'll do it for right now. We'll be back in just a little bit. We'll check it in about another hour. She's smoking. Temperature's running about 251 right now. No, 257, I'm sorry. Smoking up a storm right now. Let's take a look at it. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. That is going to be nothing but, oh yeah, it's getting tender. Got a few baked potatoes on there today. Looking really good. Internal temperature right now is around about 185, so we're about 15 degrees off of my target temperature of 200. Kratos says he's ready. Kratos ready to get something to eat. Did you want something to eat? And Bella's there. They're always hungry. Okay, we have reached our core temperature of 200 degrees, and we are going to take this chuck roast off and get it in the house, wrap it in some tinfoil, get it in the house, and we will cut into it shortly here. We have about 15-minute rest. Let's take a look at it. Look how dark and how pretty that is. This should be delicious. Got our potatoes up on top up there ready to go. Folks, I'm taking this thing off and I'm getting in the house. Gonna let it rest and gonna dig in. Hello friends. Okay, we've got this chuck roast off of our grill today, off of our Camp Chef smoker. We've been smoking this for about 4.5 to 5 hours today. It smells delicious. Looks like it's going to have a really good bark on it. Looks like it is going to be just delicious. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut into this thing and see exactly what it's going to be looking like. And that roast is nothing but beautiful. Look at the bark on it. We're going to have our baked potatoes and our chuck roast here. It's got to be tasting good. Just going to have to give this a try. Pretty damn flavorful. It's very good. Thanks for watching, folks. Hope y'all have a great day today, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.